Imagine this, you're typing away on an old machine, but wait, there are no number 1, 2, or 3 anywhere on the key. Sounds nuts, right? Stick around, because the reason behind the first typewriters ditching digits will blow your mind. Back in the 1870s, a guy named Christopher Sholes created the first real typewriter. It was a game changer for writing letters and stories super fast. But here's the wild part. Numbers? Who needs them? Most folks back then used typewriters for personal notes or simple docs, not math or money stuff. Adding number keys would make the machine bulkier and way more clunky to build. So, clever typists just fake. They use the letter I for 1, O for 0, and even S for 5 sometimes. Genius hack. Fast forward, as businesses boomed with bills and lists, boom numbers got added in later models. Isn't history full of quirky twists? Hit like if you learned something new, and subscribe for more fun facts that stick.